Good morning, all of you. Let us start our last chapter. Need and method of recycle. Reuse and recycling the waste. These days, the waste was generated more and more. Now we have to see that the reducing of the waste is only the thing which we can do. The two steps are there to reduce the waste. The first one, when waste was reduced, when the production of a waste is stopped, naturally the waste will reduce. And the secondly, the 3R is there, that is a reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce means the waste material which is generated, we should cut that amount. Recycle, the waste material which can be recycled like metals, the paper, glass can be recycled very easily. That waste can be recycled. And reuse. Reuse means again the things which can be reused again and again, like small faults in the shoes, in the bags, we can repair it and we can use again and again. So this repair reuse can be done. By this 3 R's, the waste will be generated less. Why we need this 3 R's, or the reduction, reuse or repair? That this 3 R is required very much, because the waste, the large amount of a waste when generated, the dumping of this waste will be a very difficult. So we have to reduce. Now how we can reduce this waste material? The first one, the harmful articles like the polythene can be replaced by the paper bag or the cloth bag. The polythene bag which is generally used in the shops, it can be replaced by the paper bag or the cloth bags. Secondly, the promoting awareness of the people. If the people will be aware about this type of a pollution, then only they will create a less pollution. And also, when they will use the recyclable item, like in the place of paper bag, if they use a cloth bags, the cloth bag again and again can be used by washing, and it can be using again. So the paper, the wastage of the paper will be reduced, and this is how we also save our natural resources. The learning to use the product which is do not generate too much of a waste and eco-friendly and biodegradable. Like the example is given, the cloth bag. If in the place of plastic bag or the paper bag, if the cloth bag is used, it can be washed and used again and again. So it will not create any waste. Also, the household waste material like vegetable peels, leftover food, it can be used for the making manure. Simply it can be dumped in the garden and it can be used as a compost. We are reducing the waste material. Also, we can repair the waste material. We can also repair, and the things can be reused again and again. Like the school bags, take example of a school bags. If the it can be stitched, it can be washed, and it can be reused again and again. Many things are there which can be polished, it can be cleaned, and it can be used again and again. The plastic, and one more example was given, like these days in the party functions we use the plastic plates. In the place of plastic plates, if we use the metal plates, it can be washed and it can be used again and again. This is how the waste will be generated less. Similarly, the napkins which we use of the paper, if the napkins are used of the clothes, this cloth napkin can be washed and it can be used again. So this is how we can reduce this waste material. Now how the reuse we can do, or recycle we can do. We can recycle or reuse, like the old clothes which is faded or which is not able to use. It can be used for the filling of the cushions. It can be used for making toys, cushions, dolls, etc. Similarly, the old copies, the leftover pages of the copies can be taken out. It can be used for the making of a rough copy. Similarly, the old tires, the glass and the glass bottles can be used again and again. Then many collectors also collect this waste material, and they use many good handicraft from this waste material. And this is how when they manufacture the handicraft, they are reducing the waste, or they are reusing the waste material. Some solid waste can be used as a raw material for the other industry, like fly ash can be used again for the cement industry. It is also used for the filling of the roads. Bricks also can be used by the fly ashes. Now the third point, the recycling of the waste, the things which can be recycled like the metals, glass, plastic, it can be very easily recycled, and this is how when we are recycling, we are reducing the waste material and also we are creating a new things. So it can be recycled. It is also when we are recycling, we are also reducing the raw material. Otherwise the raw material is required for this industry. What is advantage? We are conserving the raw material. Like take example of a paper. When we are manufacturing the paper, we have to cut many trees, but when we are recycling the paper, the cutting down of a tree is reduced. And also we are also conserving the forest. Some examples of the waste material was given, like recycling the waste, shortcuts waste sent to the manufacturing industry. We can give this recyclable items. Paper recycling is a very common example. The paper which comes from the office, it can be crushed and it can be used for the recycling of the paper. Similarly, the car also, with the old car can be taken out when it was not in the use. The big sheet of the car can be used as a metal sheet. It can be used again and again. So this is all about your chapter. Now the syllabus of the first term of the till the maybe have completed. Only one topic is left, that is topo sheet. Next time we will start the topo sheet. Thank you.